Hey guys, I'm back with this tutorial video. So today we are going to fold this message balloon, or you can call it a chat box or something like that. So to fold this model, you will need a square sheet of paper. So I'll be using a square sheet of paper, a 6-inch kami that is about like 15 centimeters, and you should have one colors like this on one side and the other side should be white. So I'll be using this blue white paper. So first we're going to fold the paper diagonally in half. Right, and then you rotate and fold this in half. And after you're done, you will get something that looks like this. So now we're going to fold two corners to this line, and then we align the crease line. So we do the same thing here, and make sure everything is clean as possible like this. And then we turn the paper over, rotate, and then we fold this edge to the intersection point right here. Fold the edge to this intersection point of the two diagonal line, and we should actually align this edge. So we make the crease, we will get something that looks like this. Then we're going to fold these corners here. So we need to rotate paper, and then we make a crease. That looks something like this. So we will need to fold at this angle. So you will see there's a crease right here, right? So we fold from this point and make a crease that looks like this. Right, and then we make another crease that looks like this. Right, is about like this. Right, and then rotate the paper. So now we're going to fold this in like this. Do the same thing here. Right, like this. So fold something like this. Then we make this a crease, make this crease. So we fold this inside. We kind of like strip it into like oval shape, but not really. So do the same thing here. So we rotate and turn the paper over. So we are almost done. So now we fold these two corners inside like this, and then we are done. Right, so guys, if you like this model, please don't forget to click the thumbs up button, and if you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe buttons, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.